Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain how you can connect your Trust Wallet with Ledger. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you'll know how to do this. So let's get started. So first is you just have to open your Trust Wallet. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And then from here, you just want to click on this button right here, this down arrow, and then you want to click on add new wallet. Now once you tap on add new wallet, then you just have to do the ledger. So you tap on this one and then connect your ledger wallet, and here you just have to put your password. So just type in your password, and then after typing your password, just click on next. And here you need to connect your ledger device, and because of that you need to open the Ethereum application. Now once you're done with that, click on connect, then also click your ledger device and click on connect again. Then you just have to select the address. So you select the address, then click on continue. And then as you can see from here, I have successfully imported the ledger. So if I do open the wallet right here, you can see that the ledger device has been connected with the Trust Wallet. So if you haven't got a ledger yet, you can get the ledger on their official website. They have it in there. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!